Today we are back with another super delicious recipe of chicken, which is butter chicken, and we will make it in 3 steps, and the ingredients for which are: in a mixing bowl, take 750 grams of chicken, add half teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of ginger paste, juice of 1 lemon, half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, mix everything nicely, rub the chicken pieces with these spices and coat every single piece and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Our first step is to prepare an onion tomato gravy, for which we have to heat 1 teaspoon of oil with 1 teaspoon of butter. Now add 3 medium-sized roughly chopped onions and saute it for a minute or two. Add in 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger piece roughly chopped, 12 to 15 cashew nuts. Give it a mix. Cook it for about a minute, and now add 3 medium-sized roughly chopped tomatoes, mix it nicely. Add half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything nicely. Add in a little water. Give it a mix. Cover the lid and cook the tomatoes till they are soft and tender. Now the tomatoes are soft and tender. Switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Run it in the mixer grinder to a fine paste. And the next step is, in the same kadhai, add 1 teaspoon of oil with 1 teaspoon of butter. Place the marinated chicken pieces. Don't overlap the pieces. Arrange them nicely so that they can cook evenly from all the sides. We are going to cook our chicken pieces on medium to low flame for 2 to 3 minutes or till it changes its color. Chicken pieces are done from one side. Now flip them and cook it from the other side as well. Likewise, we will cook our chicken from all the sides. Our chicken pieces are done from all the sides. Now we will cook it till the excess moisture is evaporated and reserve it for later. Our final step is to mix the chicken pieces with the onion tomato gravy. For that we have to heat 1 teaspoon of oil with butter. Now add half teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi. Give it a mix. Now strain the onion tomato puree with the help of a strainer so that we get a nice velvety texture in our gravy. Bring it to a boil, mix it and let it thicken a little bit. Now add the chicken pieces, mix them well. Cover it and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Now the oil has been separated from the gravy. Mix it. Add half cup of fresh cream. Mix everything nicely. Cover it and cook till the chicken is nice, soft and tender. Now our chicken is done. Sprinkle some kasuri methi and some fresh cream. Now it is ready to be served. Transfer it to a serving dish. Enjoy the butter chicken with the bread of your choice and salad. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe.